Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will start by launching sticky notes so you can create or retrieve notes instantly. Press the Windows key, type sticky notes, and press enter. This opens the app. Once done, make sure you are signed into the Microsoft account you use. Signing in enables sync and prevents duplicates. If the app isn't installed, open Microsoft Store and install it now. That step takes a minute and avoids interruption later. Keep the app window visible on your taskbar for quick access. You now need to open or create the note you'll use. Click the plus icon to create a new note. Alternatively, click any existing note to open it and continue. Once created, use Ctrl+N as a quick shortcut to spawn another note. This is faster when you need multiple entries. Next, resize and drag the note to a comfortable spot on your screen so it doesn't block other apps. This keeps your workflow focused and prevents accidental closure. Finish by managing the notes and confirming they're saved. Close a note with the X. Sticky Notes saves automatically when you're signed in, so you won't lose content. Once done, check the notes list in settings to find any that seem missing, or sign back into the same Microsoft account to restore synced notes. If notes don't sync, check your internet connection, sign out and back in, or update the app. Those steps fix most sync failures and get you back to work quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.